Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn on or turn off require passcode immediately on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the first thing to do is go ahead and open the settings app. Click on General. Click on Software Update. And then search for available software update and make sure you download and install the latest iOS 26. After that, go back to your main settings page. Scroll down. Click on Face ID and Passcode. Type in your iPhone passcode. Then scroll down the Face ID and Passcode page. Locate and click on Require Passcode. To require passcode immediately, set this to immediately. Now, to require passcode after some minutes, maybe a minute, 5 minutes, 1 hour, or 4 hours. However, if you want to turn off require passcode immediately, what you can do here is go ahead and select 4 hours. So your iPhone is going to stay for 4 hours without being locked. And then you are good. So that's exactly how you can turn on or turn off require passcode immediately on iPhone. If you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.